Everyone knows the importance of checking information in their research. Have you ever carelessly let unchecked information slip into your paper? When it comes to information checking, are you aware of what's crucial? First thing you should ask is the information accurate? Is it from a trusted source? Is it neutral and unbiased? Is it outdated? Does it reflect the topic in an honest manner? Finally, how relevant is the information to the scope and argument of your paper? It doesn't count if it's for the word count.